to my channel. I hope you've had a good week or two in quarantine. I know it's so weird to say that, but yeah, it's been a hot minute since I filmed for you guys. I know I uploaded my Boohoo lookbook last week, but I actually filmed that like 2 weeks ago, or nearly 2 weeks ago, a day after that New Zealand announced official lockdown. So yeah, it's been crazy. I'm already looking forward to this lockdown to be lifted and going out and seeing my family and friends and just like going to the beach. And this period has made me realize what we take for granted, and the small things in life are the things that are important, like even just going to see your family and just going out for a walk out in public. I know you can go out for walks, but like you have to stay 2 meters away from people. We're all gonna be fine. We're all gonna stay positive, and if you stay positive, that's the best thing you can do. And don't forget to go out for walks and stuff and stay off the media, because I know that has definitely helped me. Like just going out for a walk outside with Matthew and just not watching all of these coronavirus videos, because literally I was freaking myself out. And I've also had like a tight chest for the last 2 weeks, and I had a bit of a sore throat like 2 weeks ago, so I was getting all paranoid like I've got coronavirus and all this stuff, but like I haven't had a cough or like a fever or high temperature or anything like that. I think it's just my anxiety. So I thought with Easter coming up, it is this coming Sunday, so we've got a week. I would do an Easter DIY video where I make Easter treats and snacks, meals, whatever you want to call it, for Easter. So this would be perfect for you guys, or if you guys are parents and you have kids, your kids will absolutely love this. I've seen these ideas online, and one of these ideas I've never seen done by anybody that I know of. So I hope you guys like these Easter treats and ideas, and I think this is going to be available to everyone, because these things you either already have in your cupboard or you can just grab them at the supermarket. And yes, supermarkets are still open right now during quarantine, so you've still got a week to get your supplies. I don't think in my whole channel history I've done any like food videos or like DIY kind of videos. So if you like this kind of thing, then let me know, because obviously everyone's eating in lockdown, because when you're bored you want to eat. And I don't know if that's just me, but I eat a lot more when I'm bored at home, and food's just there. Food's like comforting. Oh, my makeup actually looks really flawless in this video. I think it's like the foundation. I'm using the Milani Correct and Conceal foundation now. I got it from the Milani event that I went to a few weeks ago. Well, would have been like 2 months ago now. And the Benefit Cheek Stars palette, like this highlight, I'm wearing it every day. I'm obsessed. And the blush and the bronzer is in that palette as well. I love it. Anyway, we're not talking about makeup. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. Just click that subscribe button down below and like this video if you want to see more videos like this. So if you want some comforting Easter treats, then just keep on watching. very surprised with how everything turned out. I absolutely love everything that I'd made. Everything tasted delicious and it was so fun to do as well. And Matthew obviously wanted a taste of everything and he started eating everything after I made everything. So yeah, that was really fun. I hope you guys do enjoy these kind of videos, and if you did, remember, like I said in the intro, give this video a big thumbs up and maybe let me know down below what else like you want to see. Is there any other things you want me to prepare or cook, or any like around the house DIY videos? I don't know. But yeah, these things tasted really nice. They were really easy to make and it didn't actually take me that long to do. It probably took me like 15-20 minutes to prepare everything, to prepare each treat. So yay, I'm really glad I actually did this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I said earlier, and I hope you guys have a great week. Stay safe, stay well, and remember, focus on your mental health, go out for a walk, stay off the media if you can, and just talk to your family and friends over FaceTime. Like, all those things have helped me so much, so I recommend that you guys do that too. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.